it's okay.
Welcome. It's open to the public. It's free. You guys
Okay.
can hang out as long as you want. We'll probably be doing it for an hour, maybe a little more, with the sounds. So we'll give everybody some water at the end of it if they want to drink some. And
Wow.
put the energy back into them.
Oh, I get it.
So
Oh,
it's like you're creating a frequency field within the water.
Because water holds memory,
Right.
and these frequencies will imprint into the memory of the water, and then because our bodies are 80% water, our bodies will then align with that frequency as well.
Okay. So what's the singing bowls for?
It's what are they for?
I mean, like, how are they like
Aren't you gonna record the duck?
make a sound with the bowls? Like, I know you're running
So
a
it's a
stick on it.
vibration.
Yeah.
It's the way that it's the same concept. They create different frequencies, like, and then you can train them together, just like mixing two.
I'm surprised at how loud it gets though. Well, nature's coming to.
Yeah, we were playing one another morning at like 3 o'clock in the morning,
Wow.
and bumblebees started coming.
Bumblebees started coming. What about the ducks and everything? I saw some deers headed this way.
It's the sounds of nature that you can't hear because
Yeah.
there's so much noise.
Especially when you're in the city. So what am I supposed to do? Oh, notice